Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Singla. Today in this video we will be discussing about the basic armamentarium required for a root canal procedure. So let's have a discussion. First of all, for any access opening, we need to have a access opening burr and a access refining burr. So these are the two burrs which are mainly required for any access opening and access refining. In addition to that, you may also use ultrasonic tips for access refining. Once after you have finished your access opening, you need a 10 number K files, orifice flare file, glide path file, 24% file, 25 4%, 25 6%, or you may also end your preparation to 34%. So these are the main files which are required for a root canal procedure. Whichever company you like to use, you can. Here I am using Hyflex CM files. You also need a DG16 Explorer for locating the canal. It's a very helpful tool in the practice. Then you need to have a 30 gauge irrigation needles for irrigation purpose. So you may use either side bent needles or double side bent needles. These are from Trident or from Ident In. Any one of these you can use. So this is for the 3D cleaning purpose. You also need a endomotor and apex locator. This is must to have in your practice for determining the working length. You can take it from Voltene, Dentsply. Here it is from Jameson. Then rubber dam kit is must to have for best results in endo. So no dam, no endo. Now next is sodium hypochlorite. You need to have a sodium hypochlorite either 3% or 5%. If you are using 3% hypo, you may need to use more quantity of it. And if you are using 5%, you may use little lesser quantity of it. This is Canal Pro Hypo from Voltene and it is very effective. This is normal saline or you may use distilled water. And then is 17% liquid EDTA to remove the smear layer. In between each irrigant, you need to use either distilled water or normal saline to flush out the irrigant. This is Sonic 1500 from Micromega for the activation of the irrigants. You may also use Endo Activator or U-Files or Endo Ultra for the activation of the irrigants. And if you don't have any activation device, you may also go for MDA technique, that is manual dynamic activation of irrigants for 3D cleaning of the root canal system to get the predictable result. paper points and gutta percha points. You may use standardized gutta percha points or non-standardized gutta percha points. If you are using non-standardized gutta percha points, you can custom them according to the master apical file size with the help of endo gauge. This is endo block. This is also very helpful tool for measuring the length as it has a scale in it. So this is again a wonderful product. These are the shaper files from Micromega. These are used with MM Sonic for activation of the irrigant, for 3D cleaning of the root canal system. This is downpack pen from Cybron Endo Touch and Feel, and this is downpack pen from Densware. You may use these for internal heating of hypo to increase the efficacy of hypo, and you may also use these for shearing of GP during the obturation procedure. Once you have done downpacking of gutta percha points, you need to have a backfill gun to fill rest of the canal if you are doing a warm vertical condensation obturation technique. And if you are doing a single cone or cold lateral condensation technique, you need to shear off the GP at the orifice level with the help of downpack pen. This is a Seal Apex sealer, which is calcium based sealer. You may also use AH plus, which is resin based sealer, or bioceramic sealers if you are doing a single cone obturation. So this is the basic armamentarium required for a root canal procedure. If you are having a complete armamentarium, you will be doing more better RCTs and getting more good results. Thanks for watching. We will come again.